Good morning, everyone. We have a little bowl of oatmeal here with blueberries and some protein powder. This is mixed with water and a little bit of cinnamon. Delicious breakfast to start the day. For lunch, I had a big plate of vegetables. So we have yellow peppers, cucumbers, lettuce. I have some crumbled tofu. I have spinach. And I have a little baby sweet potato. And I did top it with 1.5 tablespoons of hummus. I use the hummus as sort of like a dressing mixed. And what I do is I take my fork and I literally mix this entire plate together. And it is so good. Love it. Moving on to dinner, I wanted stuffed peppers. So I took one giant pepper and I filled it with a little bit of tofu, a little bit of lentils, and then I wanted to put some tomato on it, but then I realized, you know what, let me put some nutritional yeast on there to make like that cheesy consistency. Topped it with a fresh tomato and it went right in the air fryer at 400 degrees. Then in a little Pyrex dish here, I wilted down some spinach and just a little bit of tomato that I had left over. This will be the bottom of what I'm going to eat for dinner. So here they are out of the air fryer. And the nutritional yeast that I put on top of this before the tomato really melted down nicely. Look at this. Look at that. Very cheesy like. And I'm telling you, this combination was really good. And I did add a little bit of balsamic vinegar on top, and it just made the perfect addition. So everything came out really good. And I'm telling you, that tofu is just, I could eat it every single day. I absolutely love it. And then at the end of the night, after my exercise, I had a little bit of a protein shake. This is 1 scoop of that veggie protein, a bunch of spinach, hi Paisley, and a little bit of fruit mixed in, peach and mango. And Paisley kept looking at me, peekaboo, and she decided to come up, wanted to smell the shake, but this is how I ended off my day. So I'm going to go watch some Netflix with Jess, and I will see you guys tomorrow. I hope you have a great night. Thanks for watching my day of eating on Whole Food Plant Based.